Amana Error Code F04 indicates an overheat condition within the inverter drive module of your washing machine. This module is crucial as it controls the motor's speed and overall efficiency. When the module overheats, the washer pauses mid-cycle and displays F04 on the LED panel, sometimes accompanied by beeping. The root cause often involves insufficient ventilation, power surges, component failure like faulty capacitors, or excessively large loads, particularly with hot water. Essentially, the washing machine is shutting down to protect itself from potential damage due to excessive heat in this critical component. In newer models, smart diagnostics may even provide app notifications before a full F04 error occurs. Begin by ensuring proper ventilation around the washing machine. Clear any obstructions from the air vents behind it. Try unplugging the washer for 30 to 60 minutes to allow the inverter module to cool down. If the issue persists, there might be a problem with the inverter module itself. In some cases, faulty capacitors within the module can cause overheating and can be replaced by a skilled technician or a DIYer comfortable with appliance repair. If your washer is an older model built between 2015 and 2020, especially models like NTW456FW or NFW5800HW, check if it was part of the Whirlpool recall program for inverter replacements and firmware updates. If these steps don't resolve the error, it's recommended to consult a qualified appliance repair technician for further diagnosis and repair.